What's going on, guys? So here I am, quick install. I'm in the middle of putting this American flag, as you can see here, on the grill. So when I went to go put it in, I had to remove everything, and I honestly didn't like the way that looked. It was just looked unfinished, especially because I have the sport model. I don't have that extra border that goes all the way around, so it was showing a little bit of a gap, and I didn't like the way it looked. So I decided to put it right behind the factory grill. Let me just show you what I did. First of all, this probably took like 5 minutes to do. It's really simple. There's 6 clips on top here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? You pull those clips out with a flathead screwdriver, and then you just pry the grill forward, and it just comes right out. So let me show you what I did. So basically, I just removed these 2 hex screws right here. I think that was a T20. Let me just check. Yes, T20. So I removed those 2. As you can see, 1, 2. And then I actually opened up the holes just a slight, and I actually screwed it down. Alright, as you can see here, there's actually 8 of them. I left all the other ones alone, just these 2, so that way this thing's not shifting back and forth. So at first I did remove all of it, like I said, but I just didn't like the way it looked. And this is a lot quicker, a lot simpler. You know, just pop it there, and then you can just put it in its place. So that's it, guys. So just got to clip the 6 clips on the bottom, put the 6 clips at the top, and that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Also had a surprise today when I opened up the hood to do this. Alright, I got a little mouse started eating my cover here and made a little nest right inside here. So obviously I cleaned it out already, but look what he did to my hood. Yep, chopped that all up. You know, at least it didn't ruin any of the wires, so the wires were all fine. But I heard somebody told me that if you put dryer sheets in here, it takes care of that issue. So I plan on doing that for sure. But that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Literally, if you do it like I did, it'll take you 5 minutes, and it's really inexpensive. This was only $40 on Amazon, free shipping. So thanks for watching. Catch you next time.